The, the plan of attack is they're going to pull these trucks first, then they're going to take the break, and they're going to put a little water in the track and get really dry and dusty. What did I tell ya?
That was nice.
Almost hit the wall.
I was not pulling your leg or anything else. This guy runs tough. Jimmy had the sled set down the pipe, and we do the time pull down there, so he isn't have to try to stop anybody. Everybody is supposed to make a full pull through our timer. And he flew. He had about a 6.7-second run. So the full distance down the track and up. That's up. Yeah. Nice job, Ray. You did it again. Our class at the county fair was kind of a last-minute thought. We had it a year ago, and the track was so terrible that the truck puller said they didn't want to come and pull again. And we had no qualms. We said we put on a terrible show, we're sorry. They called about a month before the pull was to go on, and they said, could we come down again? They had said that they didn't want to come back. Well, they changed their mind. They needed a place to pull, so we put them in at the last minute. They put on a nice show for us. So thanks to the guys that did show up and fight. Last minute call, and we did get some money out to you. So glad you were able to help us put on a show. Before they had made their full pull, so they flagged them early. I don't know whether they're going to call it a full pull or you get what you get. I'd like to inform the pullers, when you see that red flag, you are done. Shut your truck down. When you see that flagman give you the red flag, you are done. So shut your truck down. The solid distance was 33.1. Gary Rutherford, 04 Chevy. We've had two Rutherfords, we've had an 03 and then an 04 Chevy, so if the last one was any example of what the rest of the people can do, be ready for another good job. Right now, 3:37.9, our leader. Well, first bird, I believe.
I looked at my schedule, it was like 5 seconds.
The second truck to hook, again, still holds the lead in the class. So they are weighing the trucks on their way out, so some of the guys are headed for the scales. Make sure everybody was what they say they were when they came in. So, old Petrelli. No question on the diesel there. Looking right outside behind the rear wheel, set up pretty well, but didn't get hold of the track quite like his brother did, or his uncle did, or whoever the other wrestler was that pulled. 3:11 and 9. 3:11 and 9. The old Forest Chevy. Nice fucking truck. Guys have brought some good machinery. Putting on a good show.